Three Bears Rap, retold by Pam Schiller, illustrated by Judy McDonald. Three Bears Rap.
Out in the forest in a wee little cottage lived the three bears. One was the mama bear, one was the papa bear, and one was the wee bear. Out of the forest came a walking, talking, pretty little Goldilocks, and upon the door she was a knocking. But no one was there, no one was there, so she walked right in without a care. She didn't care, she didn't care. 1, 2, 3 bowls of porridge she spied. A slurp from Papa's bowl. Too hot, she cried. A slurp from Mama's bowl. Too cold, she cried. Papa, wee bear, a slurp from the wee bowl. Was just right. 1, 2, 3 comfy beds she spied. A bounce on Papa's bed. Too hard, she cried. A bounce on Mama's bed. Too soft, she cried. Papa, wee bear, a bounce on the wee bed. Was just right. Home, home, home came the three bears. Someone's been eating my porridge, said the papa bear. Someone's been eating my porridge, said the mama bear. Papa wee bear, said the little wee bear. Someone's asleep in my bed. Just then Goldilocks, she broke up the party and she beat it out of there. Goodbye, 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 said the papa bear. Goodbye, 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 said the mama bear. Papa wee bear, said the little wee bear. That's the story of the three little bears. Yeah.
Now, let's see who can match the bears to the bowls. Match the bears to the chairs. Is there a chair for Goldilocks? Match the bears to the bed. Is there a bed for Goldilocks? Match the bears to the instrument. Is there an instrument for Goldilocks? Something to think about. The end.